Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to talk about German language basic to advanced. Basic to advanced German we learn in this video. To watch the video till the end. And if you want some more videos about the basic level German, you can go to the playlist and watch all the videos available there. So let's start with today's video. First of all, you have to understand the two basic things whenever you talk about any language. State of being and state of action. So first I will tell you state of being. In German there is a verb sein, to be. I am, she is, he is there, we are learning, he is standing, we are sitting, my friend is in the house, my house is near park. So this is state of being. Where is the particular person, where is the particular object? State of being, existence of something or someone. Whenever we talk about this, we use the verb sein. I am here, ich bin hier, she is there, sie ist dort, we are sitting, wir sitzen, the bus is standing near the hotel, der Bus steht neben dem Hotel. My friend is here. My friend is here. The book is on the table. Das Buch ist auf dem Tisch. Sofa is near the window. Das Sofa ist neben dem Fenster. My friend is in the house. Mein Freund ist im Haus. My father is in the office. Mein Vater ist im Büro. She is not at home. Sie ist nicht zu Hause. In these sentences we have seen the existence of something or someone. Whenever we talk about this, the verb is sein, to be, state of being. Something is here, someone is there, someone is in the office. Where is the person, where is the object? This is called state of being. Now I will talk about state of action. These are two important terminology, very important. If you are a language student, you must understand this thing. State of action, it describes by a verb. A verb tells about state of action. Verb means to perform action. Whenever there is an action, there must be a verb. To play, to read, to sing, to run, to laugh, to drive, to come. These are all verbs. And when we make sentence, it's a complete sentence that shows an action. Let's see some examples in German. My friend played cricket. Mein Freund spielt Cricket. The verb is spielen, to play. It's an action word. That's why we say action word. Verb is an action word. Spielen is the verb. I am writing an email. Ich schreibe eine E-Mail. Write, schreiben is a verb or an action word. State of action. The action is being performed. I am performing the action. I am writing the email. I am the subject. He is coming. Kommt. The verb kommen, to come. He is coming. What is the action? The person is coming. Kommt. We are sitting. Wir sitzen. The verb sitzen, to sit. We are sitting. There is an action. We are sitting. I am driving car. Ich fahre ein Auto. The verb fahren, to drive. There is an action. I am driving a car. Action. Action word. State of action. Denoted by a verb. Likewise, you can find so many examples, so many sentences. I just want to explain you, I just want to give you a brief idea about state of being and state of action. Very important thing for a beginner. In the next video, I will talk about something more interesting topic, some more interesting video I will bring to you. Till then, bye bye, take care.